Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers out there. Feast your eyes on the RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. A true game-changer in the world of gaming peripherals. This, my friends, is not just any keyboard. It's the best gaming mechanical keyboard you can lay your hands on in the market right now. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about responsiveness. The RisoPhy keyboard features clicky blue switches, offering you unmatched accuracy and lightning-fast response times. Whether you're gaming or typing, every keystroke is met with a satisfying click, ensuring you're always one step ahead of the competition. But wait, there's more. Feast your eyes on the mesmerizing RGB backlighting. With 9 different backlight colors and 5 levels of brightness. This keyboard doesn't just illuminate your gaming setup, it elevates it to a whole new level. Say goodbye to dull, uninspiring keyboards and hello to a visual feast that's sure to enhance your gaming experience. Now, let's talk durability. The RisoPhy keyboard is built to last. With durable ABS keycaps and a spill-resistant design, you can game with confidence, knowing that your keyboard can handle whatever you throw at it. Plus, with up to 50 million keystrokes lifespan, this keyboard is in it for the long haul. But it's not just about performance, it's also about comfort. The RisoPhy keyboard features an ergonomic design that keeps your arms in a natural position, minimizing fatigue during those marathon gaming sessions. And with 2 strong foldable rear kickstands and 4 rubber padding underneath, you can customize the keyboard to suit your comfort needs. Now, let's talk gaming features. With 100% anti-ghosting and 12 multimedia key shortcuts, this keyboard ensures that every command is executed flawlessly, giving you the competitive edge you need to dominate the battlefield. Whether you're accessing your calculator, controlling media, or adjusting volume, it's all just a keystroke away. So there you have it, folks. The RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, the best gaming mechanical keyboard on the market today. With its unbeatable combination of performance, durability, and comfort, it's a must-have for any serious gamer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming.